Hey everyone! What if I told you that you could create a full video, script, visuals, animation, music, and voiceover with just one sentence? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how it works using Mootion AI. This tool can instantly generate social media videos, kids' stories, educational content, dramas, and even online courses, all from a single prompt. And the best part? You don't need to know editing, design, or voiceover work. Mootion handles everything for you. So in this tutorial, I'll take you step by step through the process, from signing up to entering a prompt, to editing, customizing, and finally downloading a professional quality video. The link to Mootion is right below in the description, so you can try it yourself while following along. Let's get started. Once you sign up, you'll see the main interface. In the middle, there's a prompt bar. This is where the magic happens. Just type a few words and Mootion will turn your idea into a complete video. Here you'll find different creation modes and categories. There's general creation, recording to video, faceless shorts, history for kids, science for kids, bedtime stories, bilingual dialogues, and more. At the top, you'll see quick options for social media, kids, education, drama, narrative, religion, entertainment, and many others. And at the left side, you'll find a gallery of templates. These are ready-made styles you can use for inspiration, or you can simply start fresh. Let's try creating a new video. In the prompt bar, I'll type chubby orange cat morning routine vlog. Then I hit enter. Right away, Mootion starts generating. First, it writes a complete script for you. Then it creates a storyboard design, breaking down your story into scenes. After that, it gives you options for visual styles. You can choose cinematic, illustration, painting, 3D, and more. For now, I'll keep hyper cartoon selected. Next, Mootion polishes the script and begins generating images to match each scene. Once that's done, it asks if you'd like to animate the photos. Just click yes and Mootion will automatically animate all of them. Now, your static images become moving, dynamic shots. Right after that, Mootion adds a voiceover and background audio to your video. You don't have to do anything, it's all automatic. When that's done, you can preview your video.
Title: The Morning Routine of Felix the Chubby Orange Cat. In a cozy home nestled within a bustling neighborhood, there lived a chubby orange tabby named Felix. With his plush fur, round belly, and charming demeanor,
And you'll see how beautifully it all comes together. Now, if you want more control, you can click on Edit Project. Inside the editor, you can adjust almost everything. You can regenerate any scene by selecting it, typing a new description, and clicking Generate. Mootion will create a brand new image for that scene. You can also copy, delete, or edit the text of any scene. If you click on an image, you can crop it, flip it, or even modify it. There's an erase tool where you can highlight any area, give a command, and Mootion will remove or replace objects. And if you'd like to animate one specific photo, you can select it, click Animate, choose High Quality, type in an optional motion prompt, and confirm. Mootion will animate that still photo in just a few seconds. Once your visuals are ready, you can move on to styling. Here you can pick your title style, choose how your subtitles look, design a thumbnail for YouTube, add scene effects, and select different transitions. Next comes the audio and avatar section.
Hi there, if I'm not back in 5 minutes.
For the voiceover, you can listen to different voices and select the one that fits your story best. You can also add AI avatars that sync with your video. They can be positioned on the left, right, or inside a circle view overlay, perfect for courses, commentaries, or lectures. For music, Mootion gives you options to choose tempo and emotion. You can preview different tracks, calm, chill, dramatic, inspirational, and then select the one that matches your project. Ooh, yeah. When everything looks good, click Compose. Mootion will put everything together: your script, your visuals, your animations, your voiceover.
Title: The Morning Routine of Felix the Chubby Orange Cat. In a cozy home nestled within a bustling neighborhood, there lived a chubby orange tabby named Felix. With his plush fur, round belly, and charming demeanor, Felix was adored by his human and followed by fans online as he starred in his daily vlog known for his enchanting morning routine. Every morning, like clockwork, Felix would stretch luxuriously across the sunny patch of the bed, rousing from his dreams of chasing elusive red dots and savory treats. He began his
You can download the final video, the storyboard, and even the thumbnail. And here's another powerful feature. If you already have your own audio, like a podcast, narration, or a lecture, you can go to Recording to Video. Just upload your audio, choose the aspect ratio and style, and Mootion will generate a video to match your recording. It's honestly one of the easiest and most powerful AEI video tools available. Teachers can use it to create lessons. Storytellers can make animations. Content creators can quickly build YouTube videos. And entrepreneurs can use it for marketing and social media. With Mootion, you don't need to write scripts. You don't need to hire voiceover artists, and you don't need to spend hours editing. One prompt is all it takes. So that's how simple it is to create stunning videos with Mootion. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description below. Make sure to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on the latest AI tools. I'll see you in the next one.